What is up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today we are comparing two Bluetooth speaker. On my right hand side I have a Xdobo X8 and on the left hand side JBL Charge 4. While both speakers have got a kind of a similar footprint actually, but in terms of performance and output they are totally different to each other. JBL Charge 4 with the output of only 30 watts, whereas Xdobo come with a 60 watt of output. Now the main reason which led me compare them both Bluetooth speaker is the price. JBL Charge 4 you can buy and you get about £140. If it's on offer goes about sometime £99. Whereas Xdobo X8 you can purchase it at around £40. Offer or not, that is a fantastic price with the speaker of 60 watt of output. So to be honest with you, it is necessary to show you the output of both Bluetooth speaker, are they comparable or not. Now within the first part of this video we're going to do a basic comparison between both Bluetooth speaker. On Charge 4 you are getting 20 hours of play time, IPX7 waterproof rating, acts also like a power bank, so you can charge your mobile phone on the go. Can connect with the JBL Connect application, which means you can connect up to hundreds of Charge 4 similar kind of speaker at one go. True wireless stereo option is also there as well. No SD card playing option at all. And now if we look into the specification of Xdobo X8, come with the output of 60 watt and IPX5 waterproof rated with the Bluetooth version 5.0. True wireless stereo option is also available. So is the 8 hours of play time. Time is okay guys if you look into the output of this particular speaker. Now if we look into the frequency response from the specification, both have got exactly the same kind of range going on. We have looked into all the specification of both Bluetooth speaker. On my left hand side I have got a JBL Charge 4 and on the right hand side Xdobo X8. Now for the performance test we will be playing exactly same music on both Bluetooth speaker, which will be a YouTube royalty free music. And I would highly recommend every one of you to wear the earphones if possible. Starting with the X8 Bluetooth speaker with the full volume of 100%. Well, here we are in the end of this video, and it's a time of saying that which one performed the better. I would like to know your feedback actually, which you can write in a comment section down below. I will agree to it and also acknowledge it too actually, because it's your feedback which tells me which speakers to compare against each other and what I should be doing within the comparison too. Now let's have a look into the comparison results. If I look into the Xdobo performance, it's fantastic, no doubt whatsoever. I have found a bit of issue with the treble coming out of it. Small frequency outputs actually were not there, to be honest with you, but the bass and the loudness was all there in it all the time. Some of the sound mids were fantastic actually. The way they were coming out was like they're throwing out of the speaker, like that. Now, if I look at the same, if I say the same thing for the Charge 4, it's a bit not possible if it's compared with the Xdobo. The output of Xdobo was fantastic because it's got a more power in it. But JBL have done a really good job as well, to be honest with you, in this comparison. Their sounds were very clear. I have to admit that it's all clear. Whatever sound you play, whatever music you play, is all clear actually, but not as loud as X8. Now, on that mark, actually, my vote is going for the X8, but the clarity throughout, no touching whatsoever in terms of control, JBL is the winner. I know I gave you a mixed feedback here, but you can also take into account that JBL Charge 4, you can buy one of them for £140, which is a decent amount of money, whereas this side, Xdobo X8, you can actually buy 3 of them in the same price. The quality of both speaker is fantastic. They are solid. And what else you wanted to know about it? Now the choice is all yours. Let me know in the comment section below that which speaker you like the most, and also let me know which one you wanted to compare them against too. The condition is, as long as they are sold in UK, I can order them myself and compare them for you. That's the only condition. Now that will be all, guys. Thank you again for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.